Good evening, everyone. My name is Kaden Barasa, your moderator for this focus group discussion. Now, our discussion is about the effects of academic pressure among grade 11 students. Later on, I will be asking sets of questions, ranging from simple to the most personal or the main body questions. The answer you will provide will help me and my researchers regarding the academic pressure that grade 11 STEM students face. And in return, we will give a copy of our study. Next, let's talk about the ground rules. First, you must raise your hand when you want to answer. Then, be respectful when somebody else is answering. So, you should be quiet and only listen. Lastly, mute your mic when you're not speaking or you're not spoken to. Now, we can begin with our first warm-up questions. How do you cope with academic pressure? Who would like to answer this? Kindly react. Okay, let's go with Mendoza.
Manage time.
And then Miko. Miko, what's your answer?
By listening to music and doing my hobby such as reading books.
I see. Okay. Next question. Next question tayo. Do you think academic pressure helps your performance? Tell me why. Okay, Del Rosario, what's your answer?
It helps my academic performance by simply pressuring myself above my limit, so I get often high score or more than I expected.
Okay. Okay, thank you for answering. Next, why do you think academic pressure happens? Anyone who would like to answer, kindly raise your hand.
Po. Uh, the pressure starts when the schoolwork builds up. Because schoolworks, the instruction has instruction and there is no pressure. So that's all.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Who would like to answer ulit? Okay, Marfil, how about you answer?
Academic pressure happens when you're not focusing on your goals and you're being overthinker, something like that. So yeah.
Okay, how about Del Rosario since he raised his hand? What's your
I
answer?
think for me, academic pressure happens because it came from a lot of factors like families or sometimes friends and teachers. When they have a lot of expectations to you, you're sometimes being pressured on what you can do and how will you do better, so you will not disappoint others. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your answer. Let's move on. Next question na tayo sa main body questions. On our main body questions, what factors do you face that causes you to feel pressure in academic matter? Who would like to answer this? Fabia, what's your answer?
So, as a STEM student who experience different kinds of pressure, I want to say that the factors that causes me to feel pressured is always about high expectations from parents, sometimes from friends or even teachers, and I can sometimes compare myself to other people who perform better than me, and lastly, having to deal with too much tasks. That's it.
Okay. Who else would like to answer?
High expectation from parents, teacher, and one of self. The competitive nature of academics and the pressure to get into particular intuition.
Okay, that's a very good answer. Next. Let's move on to the next question. Does academic pressure still affect you, or even during your free time? Why? Let's have John Dominic.
Yes. Siyempre, yes. It does. Even when I'm supposed to relax, sometimes can't fully enjoy my free time because my mind is still occupied by spending task, upcoming exams, or the feeling that I should be doing something productive. This lingering stress can make it hard to disconnect and truly rest.
Does anyone else have another answer?
For me, yes, because I overthink that even though it's my free time, I feel like I have something need to do. That's why
I see. Thank you for your answers. For our closure, next. Thank you for your participation. We appreciate it. We appreciate your answer, and you could message me directly if you would like to know any updates on our findings.